8 until 9 pala. 2 oras nga lang. 1 oras at kalahati. So, 1 hour and a half. Depends. Because, I wish that it doesn't, the weather is fine. I hope it's sunny because I have to take all the dry leaves at the parking area where I work. So yan ang tatanggalin natin mamaya sa trabaho. Yan ang trabaho doon, magtanggal ng magwalis. Swiping the parking area there, the garage, sa garage. All the dry leaves, it's falling. Autumn. So yun, pagkalinis ko doon ng siguro mga isang oras, yeah. 1 hour cleaning office up and down. Yeah. Because second floor is the office, main office. The boss office. And I get down. They have a 3rd floor is the house. On the other side is the house. So yun ang nililinis ko. Then, outside, 1 hour. Malaki kasi, malawak kasi. So yun, aking trabaho. My new journey every morning, every day. I'm working at the office. And then, kala mo nag-office, papakita ko sa inyo next time. And then, yun, walis-walis. Tapos, 10, more or less 10. And then, kapag mag-ano yata ngayon, they trim the grass today. I don't know if yesterday or last Saturday they trimmed the how do you call that, the garden there. I think that one, it's Monday, that's why Monday it's heavy day at my work. Kasi they came back from vacation. They have a lot to do. I wish that start already though. They finish the sem break. It's hard to do things when all the kids is there. No. But I have with me, I have my friend with me, but I do all the cleaning stuff. I do. That's why before I stay at home, but now 1 year na po ako doon. Kaya 1 year akong hindi nakapag-YouTube. Pero nakakapag-upload naman ako, upload lang. Pero yun nga, nag-start mag-work, nabaguhan sa work kasi almost